Hi everyone, my name is Klaus Gabriel G. Baste and from BCS1. So for today's video, I am going to show you the the codes that Sir Cesar gives the performance. So with its name, I'm going to show you my Java program called number classifier. So this program lets the user enter an integer and tells where the number is positive, negative, odd, or zero. So, and also whether it is even or odd. So I also made so that the program keeps running and running, so you can enter maka-enter tayo ng numbers as many as you want. And I also added the exit and or click cancel to stop. So okay, so so first layer is inside my main method. I use a while loop. While loop means this loop means keeps the program running again and again. So paulit-ulit lang siyang babalik. So it only stops, so mag-stop lang siya kung ang user he chooses to exit. So ganyan siya. So inside the loop, I used this line shows a pop-up where the user can type something. So whatever kung anong ginagamit ng user types is ma-store din siya sa string variable. So to call an input, so muna siya sa green. And then next I check the if the user clicks cancel, then an input becomes null. So ang input becomes null kay if mag-type siya the word nga exit, I also want to stop the program. So in either case, I show a goodbye. So goodbye and use to break the loop. So now I need to make sure that the input is valid integer. So I use to try catch block for that. So if the user types something like A, B, C or D, E or a symbol niya is the program won't crash. So dili siya ma-crash. It will show a friendly message telling them na to enter a valid integer. So inside the try block, I have this part. So this checks whether the number is positive, negative, or zero. Then I check if it's even or odd. So the percent symbol. So this, where is it? So the percent symbol here. So the percent symbol is the modulus operator, which gives the remainder when dividing. So if the remainder when dividing by 2 is 0, the number is mag-even siya. Otherwise, it's odd naman. So finally, I show the result in message box. So, for example, if the user enters 7, it shows positive or odd. And then if they enter the negative 4, it shows the negative even. So mo na siya if they if mag-input ka og kailan ka mag-input ng negative 4, it shows na negative or even. If naman kung mag-enter ka ng 0, it shows 0 even. So ganyan siya. So yun lang. That is my number classifier program. So it keeps running until the user magra-run lang siya until the user mag-decide kung kailan siya mag-stop. So it handles invalid inputs gracefully, and it uses G-option pane to make everything look nice. So the G-option pane, makanindot siya and user friendly. So yun lang, yun sa akin.